I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess on your own. First, let's set up the board. The chessboard has 64 squares arranged in an 8x8 grid. Each player starts with 16 pieces. You'll have 1 king, 1 queen, 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops, and 8 pawns. Remember, the white queen always starts on a white square and the black queen on a black square. This ensures correct initial placement. Now let's learn how each piece moves. Pawns typically advance 1 square but can move 2 squares on their very first turn. Rooks are powerful, moving any number of squares along ranks or files. Bishops glide across the board diagonally. Knights have a unique L-shaped move, jumping over other pieces. The queen is the most versatile, combining the moves of both rooks and bishops. Finally, the king moves just 1 square in any direction. Capturing is how you remove opponent pieces. Most pieces capture by moving to the square occupied by an enemy piece. Pawns are unique, capturing diagonally 1 square forward. There are also special moves like castling, where your king moves 2 squares and a rook moves to its side. En passant is a rare pawn capture. When a pawn reaches the 8th rank, it promotes to a queen, rook, bishop, or knight. The ultimate objective in chess is to achieve checkmate. This happens when your opponent's king is under attack, known as check, and has no legal way to escape. There are 3 main ways a king can get out of check: moving to a safe square, blocking the attacking piece, or capturing the piece that is checking it. If a king has no legal moves but is not in check, the game is a draw called a stalemate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.